Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Speak English with Loora AI learning app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Speak English with Loora AI is an English-speaking practice app designed to help users improve their fluency, pronunciation, and confidence through AI-powered conversations. The app acts like a personal English coach, allowing you to speak naturally with an AI tutor that listens, responds, and gives real-time corrections. It's available on both iOS and Android and is built for learners who want daily speaking practice without needing a human tutor. The main feature of Loora AI is its conversation-based learning. You can talk about travel, jobs, daily life, interview practice, or custom topics. The AI analyzes your pronunciation, grammar, tone, and vocabulary, then provides instant suggestions. It also offers structured lessons, goal-based courses, and progress tracking so users can monitor improvements over time. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the realistic AI conversations, accurate pronunciation feedback, and the flexibility to practice anytime without pressure. The app helps reduce hesitation while speaking English and is especially useful for beginners and intermediate speakers who want gradual improvement. However, there are some drawbacks. Most advanced features require a paid subscription, and the free version is quite limited. Some users mention occasional misunderstandings by the AI, especially with strong accents or background noise. Also, since it relies on voice recognition, stable internet and a quiet environment are important for accurate feedback. In summary, Speak English with Loora AI may be worth it if you want daily speaking practice, AI-based corrections, flexible conversation topics, and a private learning experience. However, if you're looking for full grammar lessons, live tutors, or a free long-term learning option, the app might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.